Embedded domains bring your chatbot to life by integrating external websites directly into widget. This means your users can interact with tools, resources, and even booking systems without ever leaving the conversation. Take a look at this example on our website. The chatbot integrates an external site right within the widget, allowing users to explore and interact with the content in real time. This creates a more efficient and user-friendly experience. Let's see how you can enable it. In your chatbot dashboard, go to the Widget section. Scroll down to find the Embedded Domains option and click on it. In the input field, type the domain of the website you want to embed. Finally, click Save Changes to apply your settings. Now you have added the domains. Let's train your AI chatbot. Our AI chatbot is trained now. Let's test this out. In response, the bot provided a link, and when we clicked, the external website opened within the widget. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.